Just try and go up the main line and get right above that big rock and then turn left and drop back down in the ravine.
Like go up?
Yeah, go up around that rock in the middle. Oh, first. You a shit. Fuck! I smell it.
I wonder if I go this
Taste it.
and shoot up.
Nah, it's too soft to do that. Look how dug out it is already.
So I go like up and then left?
Yeah, just stay on the high side. This is good stuff. Yeah. What's happening up there?
A little pinchy squeezy.
Oh really? Pinchy squeeze? No.
No.
Don't worry, I got it.
All right. I'm still on your footage.
All right. Good stuff. Yeah. Not bad. You'll be good. You're off. Block me.
Two-stroke doesn't have a big old pipe hanging out.
Huh?
You don't have a big pipe like a two-stroke.
I know, I just cruised right through that.
Right. Next one might be a goodie.
Is it?
Yeah,
Sweet.
it's a wedge about this tall.
Are you able to?
Huh?
Are you able to move up?
Once he moves up, yeah. I'm wedged right here. I can't go anywhere.
Oh. That's funny. You see him? Yeah. Right on. Oh, there's a ledge at the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's not big.
Oh yeah. Good. All right. Oh, okay, that's not bad. Huh?
How do I do it?
I'd go in first and just go up it and land in.
Like this? Right.
Yeah, just just kind of bounce like front tire before it and lift up into a wheelie and kind of jump and land in that rut and then just sit down on the seat and paddle your way up.
like on the front tire to the left a little bit?
Yeah, I'd stay to the left. You got it?
Am I on?
You just turned it up. Wait. You just turned it off. You're good. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, boy.
Oh yeah. I was crapping myself.
Yeah, I know. Whoa, it's gonna be good. There we go.
Is that first?
Yeah, buddy.
How's she looking up there?
Around, though, there's a 30-footer.
Yeah, it looks like there's a giant cliff up there.
When I look at it.
I don't know, it doesn't look like there's any getting around that.